Okay, this is part 2 of driving the Empire. Driving Empire. Not driving the Empire. Okay. Make sure to watch the first part. The first part. The first part.
Are you gonna post it now?
Huh?
Are you gonna post it now?
Not yet. I'm still making the part 2.
Oh.
Making
Hey guys.
I just started making the part 2. And kids was
Oh,
gonna
okay.
upload the first one.
Oh my god, sorry. Sorry if I made some.
What?
Sorry, I blasted.
What did she just say? Dude, hitting me, it's past speed pass. Dude, I don't know. You have to watch the video, Kenzo, because you sound when you sound like that, it's people are like, what the heck? What in the world is he saying?
Guys, I said sorry if I made a disclaimer about
No,
it for
yeah,
spoiler.
it sound like something else after that. That's what I don't know. But you gotta watch the video. You gotta watch the video after the scene. Kenzo. Oh my goodness.
Sorry if I blasted you guys.
This video is so great. Let's back. And there's gonna be a little bit of a gap here. A little bit of a gap in this side right here. A little bit of a gap because a little bit of this side is gonna be a gap like in this between my line right here. And there's gonna be another gap, which is gonna be my abs. But it's not gonna show it. It's not gonna show my abs, it just shows black. Let's go back. Dude, come on. What should I do? F? No. Oh, folks. I forgot. I don't know. Nissan. It's my Nissan. My dad owns a Nissan car. Not on a Jeep. Yeah, guys. You're probably confused when I say I own a Jeep. But my grandpa gave me a real life Jeep. I wish I could show you the image of the car now, but I just can't because when my grandpa dies and when I'm grown up, I'm gonna get a driver's license for that Jeep.
Okay, I'm done with my script.
Yeah, he's done with the script. Okay, part 3 coming soon.